In this particular section, we'll be going to be focusing on getting excellent reviews from your Fiverr gigs and clients. Customer service is the number one thing that you should pay attention to when you're doing a job on Fiverr. In fact, treat every job as if it is the last job you get. The reason why I'm saying this is that you want to make the best job possible, regardless of how much money the person pays you or how little money he pays you, because every one of them is your reputation on the line. So you're going to receive most of the time 100% excellent reviews from the jobs that you're doing. If you're going to start receiving bad reviews, there's two different solutions to your problem. Number one is maybe you're not good at what you're doing, so you have to reconsider that job and find something else to sell on Fiverr itself. Number two is maybe the person is not satisfied with the job that you did, and you can go and ask him, what did I do wrong? What can I do to make the job better? So sometimes just by talking to them again, they will change their mind and they will change the review. But at other times, they're just not happy with it and there's nothing you can do about it. But that's okay. This is learning experience for you. It means that you have to put a lot more effort into next time that you create the gig. So your service next time is going to be so much better. You'll get a lot more better gigs. And with better gigs, you get better reviews, and with better reviews, you get a lot more jobs. And eventually, the percent of bad reviews, even if you got a few of those, is gonna go, and it's not gonna be so much noticeable because you're gonna have so much more jobs that you created, a 5-star work for them, that it's not gonna even show up anymore, and you won't pay attention to it as much, and the clients themselves won't pay attention to it as well. So this is very important when it comes to you to delivering an excellent customer service on Fiverr itself. The biggest obstacle for you to being successful on Fiverr is to actually go about and create the best possible work that you can with every gig that you're selling on Fiverr itself, because treat every job the best you can and you will definitely get rewarded on Fiverr.